What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about DISTRICT0X DNT, which has pumped up in value 16, nearly 17% in the last 24 hours, making it just below the 2 cents target. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it, take out your profits, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its predictions over the next couple of hours and days, and especially that we're heading into 2023 in a couple of days. Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? Should you invest into it? And looking at its predictions in 2023, how high, how low can it go, and can it give you a decent amount of return on investment? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we can see DNT has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane. We can see here in the last hour, it has gained 2%. Over the last 24 hours, 26%. Well, it really all started early this morning, where it pumped up a little bit here and went even higher over the last couple of hours. Over the week, 18%, and over the month, just about 6% up. We can see it consistently dropping in value for the last 2 weeks, all up until earlier today, where it pumped up, had a major increase in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 3,400% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.7 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money and a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are looking out for DNT, a lot of investors, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been getting a lot of attention and a lot of hype over the last couple of hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of DNT, which at the moment is at 0.01860 in purple, and we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here, just above the 2 cents target, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before we get into all of that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the blue line slightly heading towards the negative direction, looking a little bit bearish, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. However, the orange line is looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning it is not realistic. I'm not expecting any major gains. It's already gone through that, so the next step for DNT will be to start dropping in value in a slow and steady pace. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting DNT to drop down to around the 0.018 cents target, somewhere in between there. Nothing too crazy. Do expect peaks in between, do expect green candles, but the overall outcome at this point seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Dropping in value it is for the next 12 to 14 hours at a slow and steady pace. There's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. There is going to be a minimal drop in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the positive direction, meaning once again it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading towards the bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case over the next few days. So let's say over the next 7-8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting it to overall drop in value on DISTRICT0X, and of course by mid next week we are going to be in 2023. So yes, guys, I'm expecting it to drop down to around 0.016 to 0.017, somewhere in between there is what I'm expecting DNT to be trading at by mid next week. Again, It doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last 2-3 weeks. However, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, so more or less moving towards a negative direction. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking slightly bullish, which is good news, and again, it's not looking too steep, so again, it's good news. So guys, an overall minimal gain in value is what we should be expecting from DNT over the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about mid to late February 2023. We should expect an overall minimal gain in value. Again, nothing too crazy, potentially heading between 0.025 to 3 cents target. Somewhere around here is what I'm expecting DNT to be trading at by late February. So in about the next 6 to 8 weeks, that's where I'm expecting it to head towards. However, this may change according to any new updates, new news, any collaborations that they've got going on, and mainly how the crypto market performs. Of course, if there is a major crypto crash or a major crypto pump, then these things will have a major impact, either in a positive or negative way, not just on DNT but the whole crypto market in general. We all know 2022 has not been too great for the crypto market. It's been moving, in a negative direction quite consistently for the last 12 months, which is hopefully what we don't see in 2023. Hopefully it does the opposite way. We see more green candles, more pumps, and hopefully Bitcoin going above $50,000, because yes guys, Bitcoin has dropped all the way from $60K to $16,000 in the space of about 12-13 months, which is not looking too great. So hopefully next year we are is a bull run for the crypto market. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on DNT. Let's get right into the Fibonacci scale. And again, there isn't much I can do here. Only reason for that is we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone. We are trading at just about 2 cents. And for us to hit the green zone or the resistance target here, we're going to have to hit 12 cents in target, meaning going for about a 500 to 600% increase, which I'm not expecting from DNT anytime soon, guys. So more or less is very likely for the rest of the year we are stuck in the red zone, but that doesn't matter. Well, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading towards the green zone. It doesn't have to be anytime soon, but as long as we make slow progress, that's all that matters. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on DISTRICT0X, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are for DNT and the crypto market in general for 2023. Are you guys bullish or bearish on it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued, guys. Personally, I'm bullish on the crypto market in general, not just for 2023 but over the long run as well. I believe in it. I've invested into it as well. But yeah, comment down below your opinion, your takes and your predictions on the crypto market. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.